Take 5. Today we're gonna do a big experiment for me because I bought black paint. And I'm gonna do a simple layer of black instead of white this time. I'm very excited to see what's gonna happen. And I really want to take the time to thank you all for all of your comments and your tags. They're so positive and so much inspiring me. So that's why I'm doing a black painting today, because so many people ask me. Okay, let's go. Alright, we're gonna do a black base this time. Okay. I got a lot of colors here. Phthalo blue, some gold, white and some purplish. What is it? Just pour black around it. Just try, it's an experiment. So you see all the colors are less vibrant than normal, but this is, I think this is pretty. I'm surprised, I must say. So I'm just looking at the result I made, and I think it's really hard with a black base to find any composition. I'm not used to the colors, how they go into the black, how they fade. So I think I must experiment a lot more. Please let me know what you think already, and you can show me as well your black base paintings, because I'm very curious how you do it and what colors you choose. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you will subscribe and leave a comment.